Hello, my name's Robin from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. It comes dressed in the stunning and eye-catching turbo blue, sure-to-turn heads when on the road, and to the side of the car's profile you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay powered up on the go with the 12 volt and 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the all-important automatic gear brake and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.